Alfa has significantly reduced the number of variants in its lineup for the second model year of the Tonale Hybrid. The more luxurious Veloce trim is still available as an option package, but the former Sprint and T models have been replaced with a single, unnamed trim. There's also a limited edition Tonale Tributo Italiano, which adds some distinctive body color window surrounds, a black painted roof, and body color lower trim. Also available on the base Tonale as standalone options or as part of the Veloce and Premium packages, Tonale Tributo includes adaptive dampers, 20-inch wheels, a pair of chrome exhaust tips, aluminum doorsills, red-painted Brembo brake calipers, a hands-free power liftgate, Harman Kardon audio, aluminum paddle shifters, red-accented perforated leather seats, and driver's seat memory. Depending on the specification and extras, the 2025 Alfa Romeo Tonale Hybrid's pricing ranges from $48,030 to $54,030. With all-wheel drive with a 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and an electric motor attached to the back axle, the Tonale plug-in hybrid produces 285 horsepower. With an EPA estimated 33 miles of electric-only driving range, Alfa's plug-in Tonale sports a 12.0 kWh lithium-ion battery pack and a 6-speed automatic transmission. All versions have completely independent suspension systems. The Veloce package adds adaptive dampers as an option. Our most recent test revealed that the Tonale's driving manners were lacking. The Giulia and Stelvio are more engaging than the Tonale, which has handling that is too detached from the road for our tastes. Alfa's other cars establish a high standard. While the plug-in hybrid powertrain offers strong braking and good around-town performance, the Tonale's driving isn't particularly magical, in contrast to Alfa's other driver-friendly cars.